£1, £2 vegetarian work, lunches, budget and tasty. Hello! Need a filling lunch that costs almost nothing? Let's make a creamy chickpea wrap in 5 minutes. So here we go. Step-by-step, mash chickpeas in a bowl. Add yogurt, mustard, salt and pepper. Mix in grated carrot, spread onto tortilla and roll tightly. The final result, a creamy, protein-packed and super filling lunch, perfect for work. Next, we'll do a 1-pot veggie fried rice. Here's the ingredients that you'll need. 1 cup of cooked rice, some frozen mixed vegetables minus 1 egg, which is optional, soy sauce and some oil. Here's how to make it. Heat oil in a pan. Add vegetables and cook for 3 minutes. Then stir in rice and soy sauce. Add scrambled egg, which is optional. The final result, savory, satisfying and cheaper than takeout. Now, we'll make a lentil and tomato soup. The ingredients are 1 cup red lentils, 1 can chopped tomatoes, 1 onion, 3 cups of water, or stock spices, cumin, salt. This hearty soup costs pennies per portion. To make, now here's what to do. Sort chopped onion. Add lentils, tomatoes, water, and spices. Simmer for 20 minutes. The final result, a thick, comforting, and meal prep friendly soup. Next, we'll prepare peanut butter and veg noodles. THD ingredients are instant noodles, 1 tbsp peanut butter soy sauce mixed vegetables. Now we'll upgrade instant noodles into a creamy lunch. First step, cook noodles. Stir in peanut butter and soy sauce. Add veggies and mix. The final result, rich, nutty, and incredibly satisfying. Now for the roasted veg couscous bowl lunch. Ingredients are -1 cup of couscous, any vegetables, carrots, peppers, onions, olive oil, salt and herbs. This colorful bowl is cheap but feels gourmet. Now roast chopped veggies for 20 minutes. Pour hot water over the couscous and fluff. Mix veggies into couscous. Final result, light, fluffy, and perfectly eaten cold or warm. If you enjoy simple, affordable vegetarian lunch recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more weekly cheap work lunch ideas.